In today's rapidly evolving landscape, environmental, social, and governance principles are not just trends, but imperatives for sustainable and ethical leadership. Mastery in ESG goes beyond compliance. It's about leading with foresight, integrity, and a commitment to positive impact. The Corporate Governance Institute, the global standard in ESG online education and certification, is at the forefront of educating and empowering the next generation of board directors and organizational leaders. Developed by international sustainability and governance experts, the course is accredited by Glasgow Caledonian University and ensures a broad and deep understanding of ESG practices and ethics. You'll embark on a journey through practical applications and real-world ESG scenarios, ensuring your learning is not only current, but also actionable. The entire course has been tailored and is continuously revised and updated to make you a leader who can navigate the complexities of modern business. Access your course material and resources through our learning platform that's easy to use and accessible. Enhance your learning opportunities and engagement through webinars, masterclasses, and discussion forums. This program isn't just about enhancing your knowledge, it's about transforming you into a leader who can integrate ESG principles into strategic decisions, driving both sustainability and business success. If you've a demanding professional life, you'll welcome our flexible learning approach. The diploma can be adapted to your schedule so that you can learn at your own pace, yet remain completely engaged with the latest thinking and your peers. Completing this diploma signifies more than academic achievement. It demonstrates your commitment to leading ethically, with sustainability at the core of every decision. With this qualification, you'll not only elevate your career, but also contribute to a global movement for ethical and responsible governance. Advance your career with our university credit-rated diploma that's industry-approved and globally recognized. Get started now.